Hi, Lucy. What you doing? What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Are you trying to impress him? Huh? Yeah. Sweetie's going to sleep. Sweetie's up there going to sleep. What about you? What you doing? Come here. Come on. Come on. Are you going to steal some of his mullet spray? Yeah? Okay. Okay, here comes Sweetie. Are they in your cage? Are they in your cage? Are they trying to hang out with you? Yes? You joke. That's good. Your beak is looking good. Hi, Lucy. What are you doing? Sweetie? What are you doing, sweetie? Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. You're eating that mullet spray, ain't you? You're sneaking that mullet spray. Yes, you are. Do you see a boyfriend? Do you see a boyfriend? He's looking at you. Yeah, he's looking at you. Sweetie. Hi, Lucy. Come here. Come on. Lucy. Lucy. Hi there, Duke. Duke. Hey, Duke. What's that birdie doing? She eating your spray. Hi, Lucy. There we go, baby. Yeah, look at my baby. Okay. Yeah. Uh-huh. What are you doing? What are you biting my fingers? You want me to pet you? I'm sorry. I'm not getting the right spot. Sweetie. Hi. Hi there. You tired? You tired? You want them to leave you alone? Hi, Lucy. Hello. 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 Okay. Alright. Alright. Got you now. Yeah. Look at you.